Are you tired of burning your hand while driving on a hot sunny day? We have a solution for you. What's up guys, my name is Jarrett. In this video today we're going to talk about our hybrid series shift knob called Chicane. Our hybrid series knobs are different than some of our others in that they have a weighted stainless steel core with a cover that's made of Delrin that is heat resistant. The whole point of this knob is that you still get a weighted shift knob experience, but you have a cool to the touch knob because of this cover. Chicane weighs in at 0.91 pounds. We're able to do this because the core of this knob is machined from 303 stainless steel. But while doing that, we had to get as much mass as we could into the design of this knob while still maintaining a beautiful teardrop shape in the knob. So it gives you that awesome weighted shift knob experience that smooths out those clunky shifts. The game-changing features behind Chicane are that this cover is made from Delrin, which is heat resistant. The other thing that we did with this is we offered two different variety of covers. We have a smooth cover and we have a texture cover. The texture cover on Chicane has these gently machined little arcs in the side of the cover, which mimic this teardrop shape. These arcs do two things. They provide a beautiful visual interest to the outside of the cover, while also giving you that awesome grip when you're ripping the shifts. We also sell a shift knob tool that allows you to change these covers. The bottom of the knob has two little ears that you slide the tool into. It allows you to rotate the knob and break the cover loose. This allows you to change from a textured cover to a smooth cover with ease. When it came to designing a shift knob that had two very different materials, the most important thing we wanted to do was to make sure that you could not feel any gap or surface difference between the stainless steel core and the Delrin cover. To do that, we had to hold some really tight tolerances between these two parts that allows you as the user to almost feel no difference between these two shapes. The whole point is that it gives you a user experience that feels seamless when you're shifting. Chicane is 3.2 inches tall and 2 inches in diameter. This knob is best situated for overhand shifting positions, and also this 2-inch diameter is an ideal diameter size for a variety of hand sizes. Chicane has a beautiful teardrop form. It starts as a spherical ball at the top and gently slopes down to a minimal diameter at the bottom. This has a function that allows you to raise the height of your shift knob, which increases your shifting leverage to smooth out those clunky shifts. Chicane is available in 3 finishes that each have their own unique characteristics. We have red translucent, brushed, as well as black matte. Our red translucent is actually a clear tinted powder coat. Before we send this knob to powder coating, we hand brush finish the whole entire knob, then lay on the powder coat over top of that. What you get is a powder coat that you can actually see down through to this brush finish. It just has a beautiful, unique appearance. Our brush finish is great for that minimal look. We hand brush finish the whole knob with a radial grain, and it has a beautiful stark contrast to the black Delrin cover. We also offer a black matte finish that is a low gloss powder coat and just has a beautiful black stealth appearance between the core and the cover. The finishing touch on Chicane is our modern and minimal shift gate engraving design. We offer this pattern for most manual vehicles. It adds a beautiful finishing touch to the shift knob. We designed Chicane to work with any of our shift knob accessories, including shift boot collars and retainers, reverse lockouts, and both of our extenders. We designed a modular ecosystem of adapters that works with any shift knob. So Chicane works with any of our fitments and any of our adapters, included our threaded adapters and non-threaded adapters. Chicane is a beautiful teardrop shift knob that has all the functionality of a weighted shift knob while never having to worry about burning your hand while shifting your car. Guys, that's a wrap on our Chicane product review. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, enjoy the drive.